Hi, and welcome to this edition of Beyond the Score with CFISD Sports. I'm Sydney Turner from Cypress High School. It's playoff time in CFISD volleyball, and we're counting down the regular season in football. Let's check out some of the best action. Time now for our Coach's Corner. Cypress Creek reporter Elvis Corona is one-on-one with Cypress Creek volleyball coach Reagan Smith, whose team clinched a playoff berth.
Thanks, Sydney. It's great to be here with Coach Smith. Congratulations on advancing to the district playoffs.
Thank you. It's been really great.
How would you say off-season has prepared you for this season?
The girls worked really hard during the off-season. We spent a lot of time growing our teams, and they really came together through that hard work and really pushed throughout the whole season. It was really awesome.
What are some surprises you foresee coming in the district playoffs?
Well, everyone is going to be really tough, and we know that. We've played a tough season, and so we are ready to take on any opponent that comes at us.
What are you most proud of this season?
I'm proud of our girls and how they've come together as a team. Our chemistry is really great. We fight so hard. We don't let balls hit the floor. And in our last game of our regular season, we beat Cypress, which is a huge accomplishment, and so I couldn't be more proud of our girls.
Thanks, Coach Smith, for spending some time with us today. For CFISD, I'm Elvis Corona.
Thank you, Elvis and Coach Smith. In this game, it's all about staying in the lanes. Park Productions brings us an exciting look at one of the fastest-growing club sports at CFISD.
This is Ryan with Park Productions, and today we're at Copperfield Bowl, where students are trying out for the first ever bowling team for Cypress Park High School. Let's go check it out.
The sounds of a bowling alley, the pins and crashes of cheers of excitement. This isn't Mr. Willard's first time as a bowling coach, but you can feel the enthusiasm brewing.
I was excited about getting the bowling team back going because I came from Cypress Springs High School, where I was the bowling sponsor / coach for like 10 years. I'm looking for, of course, some good quality juniors that we have right now to get get some wins under our belt, but to always get those coveted freshmen that are strong from the get-go, but just make a good, fun, standing tradition for the future for the bowling team.
We talked to student bowlers about their reaction to when they heard the news of a team forming. They had 3 days to come out and prove their skills to try out for the team.
Honestly, I don't even know. I guess it was like, all right, I'm gonna try out, and that was basically my reaction, just try out.
It was honestly kind of funny, but I still just wanted to try out because I'm not really a part of anything.
I was excited. I wanted to join. Sounds cool.
Overall, I think I did pretty good. Like right now, I'm the last starter, so I'm pretty happy with how I did.
Today, well, so far, a little below my average, but yeah.
We have a lot of excited bowlers eager to join the team. We'll find out next week. This is Ryan from Park Productions. Back to you.
Awesome story, Park Productions. That'll do it for this edition of Beyond the Score with CFISD Sports. Be sure to catch us next week as we will give you highlights of some great CFISD volleyball playoff action. I leave you with a shot of our Woods fans in the stands. Remember, each week we will feature a different section. We'll see you again soon. And remember, we have plenty to cheer about in CFISD.